Well, hello, you two people. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Why are you always laughing? What's up, Squints?
No, my name's Smalls.
No, Squints. We go Squints, remember? Not Smalls. Squints. So, what'd you do today, Squints?
I had a football game, and we won 26-7.
Really? Who'd you beat?
I forget what, Shelton.
Shelton. Oh, hey, oh, that was, speaking of football, that was Kean's dad. That's so funny. Just drove by the house. So what are we doing today, Squints? Here, you can be camera guy.
We're working on that thing.
Oh, what is that?
What been sitting right there forever, and those are the headers.
No. These are the slow down. These are the cylinder heads.
I mean the cylinder heads.
So what happened was, we'll give a little story. Okay. So over the winter, that's almost a year ago now. Yeah, so over the winter, I noticed that I had almost like milkshake look to the oil in the engine, which seemed odd because it ran great in my 39 Chevy, and I decided I was going to redo some things on the car. So I took the motor, pulled it out, pulled the trans out. The trans is fine, and I know that for a fact because Anthony from Accurate went through it right before that. And the motor was redone, and it only had a few passes on it. So I wasn't sure what was going on. I thought maybe the heads were cracked or something, because I thought I was getting water in with the oil. But it turns out it was actually just a lot of condensation from, can you hold the straight? Condensation from the car sitting in the trailer over the last few months in the fall. So it really wasn't anything. If I had ran the car and got it hot, it probably wouldn't have had any of that in there because it would have dissipated any of the moisture. So whatever. So I pulled it apart just to check it. I just wanted to make sure. So that was like 10 months ago. So 10 months later, it's been sitting here on the engine stand. I kind of want to get it back together. So I'm just cleaning.
Could I help?
You can help, but
yeah.
I pulled the oil pan off because I wanted to check the oil pan. You can show them the oil pan if you want.
What? Oh, that's the oil pan?
Yeah.
See? It's super big.
Yeah, that's not that big. It's a 7-quart oil pan.
Yeah.
So gives you an extra quart.
Wow.
But all I'm doing is just nice and easy, scraping off any of the gasket material that was on here. I took all the
Could I help?
all the head studs off so I could do all this. Yeah, you can help. You're helping right now, dude.
I mean,
This
can I help
no,
you
this you
that?
can't do because I got to be real careful. I don't want to scratch the block.
How would you scratch it?
Well, the end of this is actually not sharp, but it has an edge on it, so you have to be very careful.
What does that edge mean?
Well, it could dig in.
How does it not scratch that?
Because I'm going easy and I'm keeping it flat. So.
How do you keep it flat?
Well, because I've done this before, so.
Ew.
Yeah, and then I'll take a little bit of the brake clean and I'll wipe it clean. You can show them I did the other side already, so the other side is ready.
This is what the other side looks like. Looks nice and clean. Circle, circle.
So, long story short, we pulled the motor apart to check it. Everything was fine. We're putting it back together.
Circle, circle, circle.
So, I'm not really changing.
Circles.
Stop, bud. Stop. So I'm not really changing anything. We're just checking. That's all. And this is something that I should have put back together a long time ago, and it just sat wrapped up in a bag on the stand. So I'm finally doing it, and my little sidekick wanted to do a video.
No, you asked me.
Oh, but didn't you just say you wanted to help?
Uh-huh.
So then I said, well, why don't we do a video? Right? What day is it today?
Sunday.
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 Sunday. Race fans.
Can you do your Italian voice?
Oh, wait, we need motivation. Hold on. What did I do with it?
I remember you had them on a piece of paper.
Damn, I think I threw them out. Where did I put them? Oh, man. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I put them in here? Did I put them in here? No. Oh, don't look in there. Oh, yeah, I did. Right here.
You have ketchup.
There they are. I know.
Ketchup.
There they are. Here they are. Hold on.
Ketchup. Oh,
Although I have a beard, so it really doesn't look right.
Yeah, ketchup. See?
Here, you can put yours on.
Ketchup. Oh, shotgun shells.
No, it's actually just a box. It's not shotgun shells. It's actually bolts. There's bolts in there. Here.
No,
Hey, we're back up to the Italians. We're gonna build the motors. Oh, don't you want to wear it?
No.
Okay.
Not
Here, you film.
comfortable.
Oh, okay. So we gotta. I'll break out the mustache first.
Motivation.
For motivation.
What does that even mean?
So we can get. Well, to get motivated, it's basically so you get energy to do something.
Yeah.
Mental energy, really.
What's mental?
Your mind.
Okay.
You get. Hey, hey, what are we doing here? We're cleaning up this motor.
After you do this, could I help again?
Yeah, but I gotta do this first. So.
Okay.
So.
Should we do time lapse?
No, they're having fun hanging out with us right now. This is everybody hanging out with us right now.
This is my old voice. Hey, hey, I'm Mario.
Okay, Mario.
Mario.
What's up? So yeah, if you guys are wondering, normally you'd build engines in a much cleaner environment, but it's my motor, and
I don't care.
I really don't care. I just need to get this thing back together. If it was anybody else's engine, it's a little different.
They would clean it on the floor.
No. I'd have the garage door closed. I'd have, everything all nice. But it's a nice fall day today, so I gotta still keep the doors open.
Goodbye.
Before I make it the pizza.
Make a pizza.
Make it the pizza.
Make a pizza.
See, look at those nice basic pistons. See? Just basic.
Circle, 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 circle.
Okay, all right. All right, why don't you shut that off and we'll record a little after.
Bye-bye. What are you doing?
Just taking the old oil pan gasket off because we don't want to reuse that. I have all new gaskets.
Oh.
I just wanted to check just to make sure there wasn't anything in the oil pan that would be a concern, like something's wrong, and everything's fine. So I'm not worried about it. So while I have it off, I'm going to put a new
Gasket?
gasket. Yep, which I already have.
Could I help with that?
Sure you can.
Yay!
I just have to make sure I clean any of the old gasket material out of the way. Because on these you have to put a little bit of gasket material in the corners.
Why?
Because the corners are, see how they're separated with another gasket? Mm-hmm. That's because you have a rear seal cover, and then you have a front timing cover. And they meet up, and the oil pan seals the bottom half of those together, so you gotta put a little silicone there.
Ew.
But just a little, you don't go crazy.
Also, like one little, little trillial, little
Sure.
poo-poo,
Yeah,
little
that's not a
dot.
word. Yeah, that's not a word. That's not a word. That's really it. So, yeah, I just wanted to make sure this was all good, which it is. So very nice.
What is this, like, cover thing? That looks like a gas pedal.
Looks like a gas pedal?
Yeah, because it has, like, thread on. It has, like, grip on it.
Okay. What I should do is touch up the block.
No, you don't need to.
Touch it up a little bit. It's kind of gross looking.
I don't care. See, it's gross.
No, it's not gross. It's good enough.
Can you show me how to put a gasket on?
Are you filming me or are you just kind of holding the
I'm
camera?
filming you.
All right, why don't you shut that off? We'll tumble over and we can start putting it back together.
Okay. To grab.
Hold on. Hold on. Just stay right here for a second. Talk about the motor a little bit.
How am I supposed to do that?
I don't know. Just talk about the motor. I'll be right back.
I don't know about anything.
Well, just talk whatever you can.
Okay. We got the oil pan in and who is that guy?
Peekaboo! Hey,
It doesn't look right because you already have a beard.
hey, he called me so he could tighten up the oil pan. You tighten up the oil pan? It's a torque wrench. Ready?
Yeah, I called you to do that. Hey, Peekaboo Man!
Hey, no, that's a Giuseppe. I was making the pizzas next door and they called me to come in and do the motor work. Because all Italians build motors.
Not all Italians.
You don't? Oh.
Basically, none.
Just me?
Yeah, just you.
I'm the dummy. The dumb engine guy.
Are you?
No. I'm definitely not dumb. I isn't really that dumb.
You aren't really that dumb.
No. So we're tight.
You got them all snug?
Almost all of them.
What will we do
Gotta
after this?
Make sure they're all the same. So after this, we gotta put the head studs back in the motor.
Okay, could I help?
Clean the heads up real quick. They're already clean, but I just want to make sure their surface is clean.
Oh.
Get the head gaskets on and start putting heads on.
Yeah. Which ones are heads? Those?
Our heads are right in the bag right there.
Oh.
So, watch it.
What? What do you mean?
You can turn it off for now.
Ooh, we'll see you when we're done.
Yep.
Okay.
I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Poop.
All right, so now the question is, what do we put this motor in? Because that's kind of the question everyone keeps asking me. Why am I putting this thing together again? What's it going in? Well, for now, that's its home. Oh, look at that, a tunnel ram intake. Wow. So either way, this is going to get the tunnel ram. It's not going to get fuel injection. I had talked about it a long time ago, possibly throwing a fuel injection tunnel ram on here. Nah, I'm throwing 2 carburetors on it. I want to make everyone hate me. So this is going back the way it was originally when I built the motor. Built it with the tunnel ram, built it with dual carbs. Going to put 2 new carburetors on there that are going to fit for the motor setup because some of the stuff I changed. But that was not in the video, and you won't see it. So that's my little secret. So yeah, I don't know what it's going in. Stay tuned. Maybe hit the notification, subscribe, like, comment, so that way you can get updates for when I put this motor in something. Is it going in the Morris Minor? Is it going back in my 39? Is it going in the wagon? Stay tuned.